Hi everyone, Nancy with Ashes Treasure. Um, Tonight's supper. Now, I'm trying to do a video every day, but I don't get this one posted. This was Tuesday, May 12th supper. And what I've done is with the air fryer with the Ninja. So it's still going. We did the corn on the cob, done some asparagus, and yes, I had canning chicken broth. And this is our chicken I cooked to some veggies. And I'm just going to put that on the plate and then divvy all this up. And that's what we have for supper. And that's another dinner we have, living a dairy-free life. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time you'll know when we have another video. And this is a short but sweet one. And everyone have a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening.